हेलो दोस्तों, टुडे वी आर स्टडी अबाउट longitude. We before study latitude, now we study longitude. So definition of longitude. This is the basic concept of geography. Second lecture. Definition of longitude. Longitude are imaginary line which join north to south pole or longitude or meridians. Some facts of longitude are: 1. Longitudes are semicircle and while latitude are full circles. Second, the diameter of longitude are same. Third, the distance between two longitudes vary from equator to pole. Fourth, the distance of longitude between them decreases as we move polewards. Fifth, longitudes help us in finding the time of a place. So this is the figure and this is the longitude. 0 degree, this is the line, and this is south pole and this is north pole.